Are you getting ready to sell your home? Hi, I'm Sylvia, Darius Merconic's assistant. Welcome to our channel. Here are the top 9 things you should do to ensure a smooth and successful sale. Number 1, find a great realtor. A knowledgeable agent can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the selling process. Number 2, research the market. Understand the local housing market trends, current and past sales, to set a competitive price. Number 3, declutter and depersonalize. Remove personal items and excess clutter to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. Number 4, make necessary repairs. Fix any obvious issues that could deter buyers, such as leaky faucets, torn screens, or broken tiles. A fresh coat of paint, which is relatively inexpensive, does wonders for sprucing up a home. Number 5, enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter. Ensure your lawn is well maintained, and consider adding some fresh plants or flowers. Number 6, deep clean. A spotless home can make a big difference. Consider hiring professional cleaners for a thorough job. Number 7, stage your home. Arrange furniture and decor to highlight your home's best features and create an inviting atmosphere. Number 8, take high-quality photos. Great photos can attract more buyers since buyers shop online first, which is why it's important to hire a professional photographer. Lastly, number 9, marketing your home. Utilize online listings, the MLS, social media, postcards, brochures, and open houses to reach a wide audience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful home sale. We are here to help you along the way. Give us a call when you're ready to get started. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this content, don't forget to hit subscribe for more great videos. And be sure to make it a wonderful day.